Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I got these golden foil nails with nail forms. So just continue to watch this video and I'll get into step by step how I got this look. Thank you. So I already did my other nails, but I'm going to be doing my thumb. And once you get used to nail forms, it gets easier, but they can be a little tricky in the beginning. So you just bend it to the shape that you want. I kind of want it long coffin instead of stiletto. And you make sure it's right underneath the nail. You don't want too big of a gap because then it'll be on your skin. So you make sure it's right underneath your nail if you have longer nails. And then you pinch the back. Once you find that shape, you're going to want to pinch the back. Yeah, this is a little bit tricky. So I'm going to be starting out with dehydrator to make sure my nail is completely dehydrated. And then I'm going to follow that up with my nail primer. This set comes together. I'll leave the link down in the description below. And then base coat is important. That comes with, specifically it comes in this Polygel kit from Jershon. I believe I'm saying it right. But you want to have base coat just because that's the steps to soak off base coat. And then I'm going to be using the clear Polygel. So you want to use slip solution or just alcohol to maneuver the product around. And I'm pressing it, starting to press it down so it can be a little like thin at the cuticle. Press it down enough to where it reaches the cuticle and move it around, and then just keep doing that, not too thin but very thin, if that makes sense. So then I start to move it up toward I start to move it up toward the nail form, and this is where I want the extension. I hate that I keep moving out of the camera. It's very annoying. I apologize for that. But I want to move it up toward the nail, toward the top of my nail, off of on the onto the nail form so that I can create that extension. And each nail, I like nail forms because you can measure exactly how long you want them. So I'm going to the number 5 on the nail form. Okay, so I do like to cure that for a second and put a second coat on because I like it to be thick. I like the before I take the nail form off. I hate a thin nail layer before I take it off. After I take it off, that's really annoying for me. So I just do a second layer so that it's nice and thick, and then I'll go ahead and cure that again after I put it all over. And make sure there's no cracks or anything towards the side. That's the hard part with nail forms, especially with the clear Polygel because you can't really see. It's harder for me to see because my eyesight sucks, but that's the part where you want to make sure you have Polygel is on the sides. Even if it's too thick, you can file it down later, but the best thing you want to do is make sure you have that on the sides. So I went ahead and filed off camera with my e-file and manual file because it just takes really long and I wanted to get to the point and to the design part. No one needs to see that. Filing, 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 filing. Okay, so let's get to the design. I have from Model 1's this gel. It's really cute. I wanted to give it a sparkling look too, along with the golden foil. So I'll put the description for the sparkly gel I'll put the link for the sparkly gel in the description. So I'm just kind of putting it on there in a couple places, not necessarily all over. Just in a couple places, give it a little bit of sparkle. And then this foil is super, super thin, and whenever you touch it, it just breaks apart. So I use my fingers for that, and I just kind of press it down. The gel, the sticky gel kind of works as a adhesive. So I'm putting that down, pressing it on there. And I like a lot of it. And I'm sorry about my workspace. It's out of control. Like, my workspace is super disgusting right now because I've been working so much with nails. But anyway, I'm just going to keep doing that. Okay, now so I'm going to just continue putting that golden foil on with my fingers, pressing it on. So now I'm just going to cover it with top coat, and then just to give it that glossy look, and I'm going to use my honey and milk cuticle oil. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I truly appreciate the love. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload, and also don't forget to comment down below some more looks you'd like me to do. Thanks, guys. Bye.